In this video, I'll show you how to import products into your Wix store. Whether you're launching a new shop or updating an existing one, importing products with a CSV file saves time and makes managing inventory much easier. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening your dashboard. On the left menu, go to Catalog, then click Products. Here, you'll see all of your current listings, including product names, prices, SKUs, and inventory details. Now, click on the More Actions button and select Import. This takes you to the Product Import tool. Before you upload anything, download the CSV template provided by Wix. This file gives you the correct structure for entering product details like names, descriptions, prices, and inventory. Open it in Excel or Google Sheets, fill in your product information, and save the file once it's complete. Back in Wix, click Upload CSV File. Browse your computer, select your completed CSV, and click Continue. Wix will show you a quick summary to confirm everything looks correct. Finally, click Import Products. Within a few moments, all of your products will appear in your Wix store, ready to manage and display. And that's it. You've successfully imported products into Wix. Using the CSV method makes adding or updating large inventories quick, accurate, and efficient.